A while back, I built this site for family medicine specialists, and it was important to them to have this link on their homepage. Well, now they've come back and said they want actually several links. So I'm going to show you how to change this from a paragraph to a list of links. First, we're going to edit this page. Then we'll scroll down to that space. And I'm not going to mess with the layout of the background or anything like that. Right now, this header is a link to healthychildren.org, but we're going to change this. We're going to make it not a link, just like that. And then I'm going to change the header to be just health links. Then I'm actually going to, I selected this paragraph. I'm going to go down and delete it there. Now we're going to make a list. So I'm going to type / to choose a block. And I'm going to type LI and see there's list. And the sites that they want linked, they sent to me. So one of these is the Kent County Health Department. So I'm going to copy that URL and type in Kent County Health Department. Then I'm going to highlight those words and I'm going to click this anchor tag here and paste in the URL. And make sure you hit this little swooshy arrow, because if you don't, you will not get your link and you will be sad. So there we have one. So you go to the end of that first one and you simply hit enter and you have the next item, which is healthychildren.org again. So let's copy that and we'll type in there. Now, there are a couple different ways you can make this a link. I showed you how to click that thing, but a cool shortcut in WordPress is that you can simply paste onto anything that you've highlighted. And if what's on your clipboard is a link, it will make it a link. So I'm going to hit Command V on my Mac. You would do Control V in Windows. And there we are. It's a link. And then the third one is the Poison Control Center. So we're going to copy that, type in poison control. And so I'm going to highlight that text and Command V. And there we are. And that's how you make a list of links. And now they can, at any time, just go in and make a new one or delete an old one or whatever. Let's take a look at that on the homepage. As always, be sure to leave questions and comments in the comment section below.